All right, so this game is called Land Grab. To play it, you need your math book with 2 fresh pages, or you can use any grid paper that you want. I've got some here. You need to have 2 different color pencils or markers, one for each player, and then you need to have 2 dice. You get to make a choice on if you want regular 6-sided dice or if you want 9-sided dice. The difference is just in the numbers that are going to come up. If you want a little extra challenge, you can use the 9-sided dice. All right, so to play this game, we are going to roll the dice and make arrays to show multiplication sentences. So I'll go first. I'll be green. I'm going to roll, and I roll a 6 and a 5. So I'm going to make an array that is 6 rows of 5. So I'm going to take my green, and I'm going to decide where on my board I want that to go. The goal at the end is to have the most land covered. So I want to be a little bit strategic, and as the game goes on and the board fills up, there might be more strategy I do. For now, I'm going to start in this bottom corner. Now, I am going to use this square, but see this like half square on the side? We're not going to use that. So I'm going to do 6 rows of 5. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make 6 rows of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I close this off to make an array or to make a box, I have 6 rows of 5. I'm gonna like quick shade it in. See how I'm not spending forever making it like the most beautiful, but I'm just gonna quickly shade. All right. Now, oh, I see that it's not very dark. I'll darken it up a little bit so you can see a bit better. All right. So my last job here is to write the number sentence for this. I've got 6 rows of 5, so that makes 6 times 5. I might actually get a black pencil to do that so that you can see what I've written a little bit better. So I'm going to go 6 times 5 equals how much? How many squares?
30.
Now, 30. If I wasn't sure, I can count 1 by 1. Or since I know my 5s, I can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 to find the answer. Now it's my partner's turn. Ava, will you be my partner?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to roll the dice to see what you get. Oh, you got the exact same thing. So you're orange, so you can decide where you want to put your array. Anywhere on the board.
You mean like this one and this one?
The whole thing. So both sides of the board, so you can put it anywhere you want. Why is it smart for Ava to put hers right next to mine instead of leaving a gap in between them? Andrew? Maybe she'll block me. Maybe also later we wouldn't be able to fill in that tiny space. So you can write your number sentence. Here, we'll turn it around for you. And then we keep going, taking turns to roll our 2 dice and make our arrays until the board is full. Now, once we get close to the end, I might roll a 6 and a 5 again, but actually there's not space for a 6 by 5 array. If that happens, then I have to lose that turn and try again on my next turn. The game ends either when you fill in the whole board or when you can't fill any more. All right?
Okay, you can do it here.
Yeah, I know, but if right now we could put another 6 by 5, but if we filled in the board, if we were almost at the end of the game and most of it was filled, there might come a time when you can't put down your turn and you have to lose that turn. So the game ends when you can't put any more arrays down. The winner is the person who has the most covered. So at the end, I'm going to count up. I have 30 here, and I'm going to count up all my others while Ava does the same. The winner is the person with the most squares covered.